An Italian Air Force Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet was among the casualties of the multinational air combat exercise Pitch Black 2024. The collision was reported by the Italian Air Force Aeronautica Militare in the Douglas Daly region of Australia's Northern Territory, southwest of Darwin. The twin-engine fighter jet crash's precise reason is still unknown. An Italian Air Force release stated that the pilot escaped the F-2000, known as the Eurofighter Typhoon in Italy, and lived to tell the tale. Martin Baker, the manufacturer of the ejection seat, also promptly proclaimed the pilot's survival, who was able to eject himself. Martin Baker's ejection seats prevented 7,127 pilot deaths during the incident, setting a record. Additionally, it was reported that the Martin Baker MK16A type is used by the Typhoon fighter jet, and this incident marks the 5th time the MK16A has acted to save a pilot of a Eurofighter Typhoon. In the wake of the mishap, Exercise Pitch Black 2024 flight operations have been temporarily halted. Beginning in 2024, the Royal Australian Air Force will organize Exercise Pitch Black, the largest biannual multinational exercise in the world. With 21 foreign competitors and over 140 aircraft from all over the world, Pitch Black 2024 was the biggest edition ever. The exercise was conducted in northern Australia, with tankers and tactical transport aircraft based at Amberley Air Base, and combat actions concentrated at RAAF bases Tyndall and Darwin. Additionally, Italy was participating in Pitch Black for the first time. 400 Italian Air Force personnel are stationed at RAAF base Darwin as part of the mixed detachment in Pitch Black 2024. 6 F-35A and F-35B Lightning II stealth fighters, 4 Eurofighter Typhoons, and 1 G550 CAEW, conformal airborne early warning, aircraft make up the Italian Air Force. They are backed by C-130J Super Hercules and KC-767 tankers. After Pitch Black 2024, Italian Air Force personnel and aircraft will move to Misawa, Japan, for the Rising Sun 2024 exercise with the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF. 2 F-35Bs from the Italian Air Force will embark on the aircraft carrier ITS Cavour as part of the Air Force's combined training program with the Navy as part of the latter's air operation in the Indo-Pacific.